Then subsequently, the same references was made to a couple of my other co-owners who were looking at it, and some of them have used the facilities or they requested Nemmadi to handle their apartments also. And a time came where few of us were thinking as to how do we take stock of the entire complex as such, because the builders have given us commitment in terms of clubhouse, other utilities, swimming pool, and so many things where we were looking at it. So again, I checked with Nemmadi whether they would be interested or their scope involves this kind of a job. And I roped in few of our other owners, and I have here along with me Mr. Gopalan, who is also owning an apartment over here. And we had an initial discussion, and thereafter we met Nemmadi team as to what we could really look at it and what they can give it to us. A lot of interaction was done by my good friend Gopalan on this. I think he will elaborate to you as to what exactly we decided to utilize the services of Nemmadi. Gopalan?
Thanks, Prabha. My experience was that I'm basically a corporate sector executive, senior executive who worked in corporate sector in India and abroad as CEO and president of various companies. I decided to retire and return back to India after almost 25 years abroad, and picked up this apartment to settle down here. Unlike Prabha, I made the mistake of not getting in fact I didn't know that a service like Nemmadi is available for people who buy apartments. So I just trusted the builder and came over here, and of course, to cut a long story short, had a lot of issues in the apartment and we had to sort it out one by one. Much later only I met Prabhashankar, and he told me that this could be done, but by then it was too late because we had taken possession and we had done whatever has to be done. Subsequently, the project was having various issues in terms of completion, finishing, and certain areas where we felt that the quality was not as committed and was not coming up to the mark. So we formed an ad hoc committee of owners who will take it up, because the Residents Association was not yet incorporated. So we formed an ad hoc committee, got in touch with all the owners, and with their support, we started engaging with the Peninsula Heights owners, Peramal Group in Bombay. And initially we prepared a list of snags, what we could identify, all the owners could identify, and put it up. And this was being attended to. I must say, however, here, Peramal Group was very cooperative and they were very transparent, and because they are Bombay based and the first project in southern India, they had some issues and they were willing to work with us and sort out these. But at some time during the course of this entire reviews and sorting out, we realized that we need to get a professional inspection done of the entire complex, because what we do as lay people may not be exhaustive, may not be correct, may not be complete. So that's the time Mr. Prabhashankar suggested, why don't we approach Nemmadi? And we consulted with all the owners, they all agreed. And then we approached Nemmadi, as Prabhashankar was saying. They agreed to do an inspection because they do carry out these kind of inspections. Though the slight difference is they do it on behalf of resident associations just before takeover, so that they do everything, not only in terms of inspection of quality, snags, etc., but even in terms of documentation which the association should have before they take over from the builder. In our case, it was slightly different because we are not a formal association, we are only an ad hoc committee. And therefore, what we did here was essentially a thorough quality inspection and also a design review, so that if any design flaws are there, which if it could be corrected at this stage, the same could be done. Initially, the builders were not very happy about an external inspection agency coming, but subsequently they saw the benefit in the whole thing, because after all they use contractors to do things, and this report could strengthen their hands in dealing with their contractors in finishing operations. So they agreed, and Nemmadi did a thorough job. I don't know, they brought several hundred snags in the project. Some of them could be very minor, but they did inspection of not only civil and structural side, but also on mechanical, electrical and plumbing areas, and did the design review. And the entire report was then submitted to Peninsula Heights, and there was a Zoom meeting, joint presentation by Nemmadi Group. Peninsula Heights understood, and they started attacking those points. In fact, now the situation is Peninsula Heights management is giving us presentations on the progress in terms of these attending to these snags. So in other words, it ended off very well for us. If only we had taken this much earlier, perhaps it would have been even better. But anyway, it's better late than never. So we are very happy with the way the project has gone on, the way the builders have reacted, and the way they are attending to various issues.
Thank you, Mr. Prabhashankar. Thank you, Mr. Gopalan.
In fact, I must say that the kind of report which has been given by Nemmadi is so professional, including the photographs attached to it, giving the exact spot where the problem lies. It's not just that they are giving a superfluous report of saying that there seems to be leakage here, there seems to be leakage there. No, not like that. They have identified where exactly the problem, and they have put it across, which is very, very helpful in resolving the issue, and more than anything else, making our future life simpler and easier.
Well, my only suggestion to Nemmadi is that, considering Bangalore is almost like an international city, and a lot of NRIs and expatriates move and settle here, and they buy apartments and things like that, I think the fact that such a service is available should be better publicized. The builders won't do it for their own reasons. They don't want somebody else to do it. But just like Prabhashankar was based locally, he knew he got it done. I was not based locally, I could not get it done. I think there's a tremendous scope for especially high-end apartments, where a lot of money is spent and they would like to make sure they get whatever is committed. So I would strongly suggest that, through social media or through any other ways, you should publicize your service, because you're a neutral party.
Yes.
And that helps.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Prabhashankar. Thank you, Mr. Gopal.